Hey bros. Probably get that gun out of the way. Hold on. So with a tiny rifle. It's tiny. A little big.
That's my rifle.
Shut up. It's a little big. No, it's fine. Hey guys, welcome to Gun Building 3. Adrian, you better not touch the video or you're dead. No! So yeah, we're gonna shoot him in the head.
Hey!
Wait, it's not like you can do anything about it. He's gonna come after us. This is Caesar. Wait, where'd you get the 3DS?
It was charging!
How did you even get it? It was like up in the kitchen. Caesar, you're like 2 feet tall. Yeah. Let's try something. Oh, this is a good one.
What gun are you using?
Now watch this. You're lucky I ran out of ammo. But you know what I can do?
What?
This. So weak. The one that you made, it has a lot of ammo, but it's like so weak. And I hate this gun.
It has a lot of ammo. It probably has
It has like 12 bullets. Well, that's it. Leave a like, and I really need to like some newcomer.
Everybody hates this video, so don't leave a like.
Shut up. Leave a like. Thank you.